Okay, so here's software, run the executable, and for me, click on COM port first, and then click COM9, which is my COM port. You can tell by right-clicking on the Windows button, go to Device Manager, and under ports, when you plug in the scale, the USB drive, then you'll see a COM port appear, which mine's COM port 9, the most recent one, and you'll know because the live weights up here. So what you could do is actually type in your name, batch number, you can pick your date, and you click on size, and you can use scale weight or override it as 150 pounds or 1500 pounds. But let's use scale weight for now. And right now I set to demo.xlsx, which actually already have one here. So if I select file, desktop, and open up, you can see I have 3 previous runs that I've done before this. So if I click print, you see how I just added it, the 4th run, the one I just did right now. Added it, and I can actually open up the Excel file and see. You see I have 4 trials right there. But let's say I made a mistake, or I'm done with this one. I could delete this, right? And if I don't change the name, you see it created a box number 1 because the file didn't exist. So it started all over again, and it called and created a file up here, demo.xlsx, and only have 1 here. But let's say I don't like that name. Let's say the desktop is fine. I could change this right here to Matthew. Maybe just delete this demo. Same thing, right? It will create the Excel file here, Matthew, and you can see my 1 trial here. Same, you could, let's say, open up your file explorer, under documents, let's say right click, create a new, and I create a Microsoft Excel worksheet here, and I call this new, right under my documents. You can save it anywhere you want, but I could select file, there's my new, it is empty, and I could just all this right here, print, and you can see when I open up my folder here, there is my new file, and I could just keep going. Right, there's my 8 trials. Open up my new. There's my 8 trials, and let's see it for now. You see, that's how it works. So all you have to do is just configure it, but let's see if software is fine, and to show you the example of overriding it. 750 pounds, and let's say I wanted to put this on a desktop, Excel, demo, I'll just select file, desktop, and demo, empty, 750 pounds, you can see 750 pounds here, and there's 750 pounds. Same thing if I did 1500 pounds here, and you can see right here. So anything else, contact me, and that should be all. So thank you.